Hi everybody, I'm Erin with OnlineLabels.com, and today we are unboxing the brand new Silhouette Cameo 4. So all we've done so far is remove it from the shipping box, and sitting right on top is a 1-month membership to Silhouette School. She's a longtime partner of OnlineLabels.com. She uses a lot of our sticker paper products, so we highly recommend you check her out. Now for the unboxing. Let's start with a picture of the back. It tells you everything that's included, the blades and the product features, so it's really exciting to note, and here we go. We have a little flyer and the good stuff. All right, so it looks like this is our power cord. And the blades and an instruction manual perhaps. We'll open that in a little. That's it for this sleeve. And then our brand new cutting mat. Now the machine itself. Once all the tape is off, this is what it looks like. So this is your new Silhouette Cameo 4. We can't wait to hear what you think when you get your Silhouette Cameo 4. Be sure to try it out with OnlineLabels.com sticker papers and send your projects to us in the customer ideas section. In the meantime, be sure to check out OnlineLabels.com for cut settings and content as we begin to test it out ourselves.